Sit down, be quiet.
Raise your hand.
Do as you're told.
Don't go outside the line.
Memorize, regurgitate.
Measure, repeat.
Don't make mistakes.
Too slow, too bad.
Too fast, slow down. Passions, let's be serious.
Why is it that the world is changing so rapidly, yet children globally remain in education systems that barely differ from those of their grandparents? To make matters worse, the job market is changing faster than schools can keep up. By 2030, 65% of youths will need to find or create meaningful work in areas that don't currently exist, and 800 million people will need to reskill or be out of a job due to automation. The COVID-19 pandemic has only exacerbated this problem. Students and teachers have had enough and have realised a change is needed now. We are at a point in time where there is an opportunity to finally overhaul the current education system and its outdated practices.
At this place, we have a group of wonderful learners that now have a unique opportunity to actually live a new learning paradigm. A learning paradigm that is learner-centered and that focuses on purpose-inspired and personal learning that can actually replace instructional education.
This new way of learning has been developed based on research, best practice examples, and 27 of the most effective learning methodologies from over 100 hugely innovative schools around the world.
We have implemented the new learning into our lighthouse Learn Hubs in Barcelona, where we have a community of 170 lifelong learners exploring and living in this way of learning.
Learners are supported with the space and freedom to explore their passions and their life purpose. Now we are bringing this better way of learning to the world. Learnlife is providing an opportunity to revamp learning environments globally so that learning can truly flourish. We are turning schools into creative and digitally empowered Learn Hubs. We are transforming teachers into world-class learning guides. And we are paving the way for students everywhere to become passionate, lifelong learners. Learning is not just a right, it's a foundation for a better future. There are many competing priorities on this planet, from global warming to poverty to political unrest. But lifelong learning is undoubtedly the root of all solutions to what our destinies would otherwise await. The current path of education is already obsolete, and this is one of the biggest risks for mankind.
Stand up. Speak up.
It's time to break out of that box.